What's up guys? As some of you may know, I've been on a quest to upgrade my man cave in a simple yet budget-friendly way. Now that the gaming area has been completed, in this video we'll be brightening up our display area using the Govee Smart Table Lamp 2S. So guys, if this is your first time stopping by the channel, please make sure you do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. I appreciate it, and the channel does too. Govee Smart Table Lamp 2S. Let's jump into it. Alright, so if you're building a gaming room or a man cave, you know lighting is everything. You can have the sickest setup in the world, but if the lighting is weak, the room lacks vibrance. I picked up the Govee 2S because I wanted something sleek that wouldn't take up too much space but still illuminates a room. Setup is exactly what you'd expect from Govee. Super simple. You plug it in, download and open the Govee Home app, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're Gucci. Design-wise, the Govee Smart Table Lamp 2S looks great. It has a clean, modern look with no sharp edges. On top, we have our touch controls for brightness and cycling through colors, which is great if your phone's not around you, but otherwise the same functions can also be done from the Govee app. Let's talk about why you're probably picking up this lamp. Yeah, the RGB lights. And they definitely don't disappoint. I specifically picked up the 2S lamp for the top of my display area and to add cool lighting effects throughout the man cave. Something that complements my Govee TV lights, and man, this lamp delivers. We're talking 16 million RGB colors and even custom lighting designs to choose from. Inside the Govee app, you get over 60 preset dynamic scenes. Whether you want a fiery orange glow, a cool cyberpunk purple, or a smooth color shifting pattern, it's all here. The fact that I can customize the lamp color to match the theme of whatever I'm displaying on my shelf at the time is a W for me, and keeps things from getting played out or boring. Got a shelf full of Nintendo accessories? Well, hit the 2S with the red and blue color scheme and it's looking like Mario Party in here. The Govee Table Lamp 2S isn't just a RGB gimmick though. When I'm not gaming or shooting videos and I just want a regular room, this thing doubles as a legit normal light. You can adjust the color temperatures from super warm to bright to cool white. Plus, it's dimmable from 1% all the way to 100%. And because this is for a smart man cave, yes, the lamp works with Alexa and Google Assistant to turn on or off lights at the command of your voice. So should you pick up the Govee Smart Table Lamp 2S? At around $70, it definitely fits into the budget-friendly category for what the lamp offers. It's bright, the colors are incredibly vibrant, and its sleek build can tie the whole room together, all without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a way to make your display shelf, desktop, or man cave stand out, the Govee Smart Table Lamp 2S might be what you're looking for. Alright guys, that wraps up the video. Drop me some comments down below and let me know your thoughts on our display setup and also what you think of this Govee Smart Table Lamp 2S. Will you be picking it up? Is it your style? Whatever your thoughts are, I'd love to hear them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. We back, baby.